Good morning, children. Children, we have seen what is balanced diet. A diet which contains all various types of a nutrient in proper amount. Such a type of a food we call it as a balanced diet. When we are considering the case of a balanced diet, all type of people, they are not getting proper amount of balanced diet due to various reasons. Some of them are not getting this balanced diet due to poverty. Some other, for example, in the case of children, they are not getting this balanced diet because they don't like this type of green leafy vegetables. So all these leads to deficiency of a balanced diet or deficiency of certain nutrients in our body. Ultimately, they leads to certain types of diseases. So that type of diseases are commonly known as deficiency diseases. So here we are going to discuss the first type of a deficiency disease, that is known as what is that? Deficiency of carbohydrates. Deficiency of carbohydrates. So we are going to discuss the first type of a deficiency disease, that is known as the deficiency of carbohydrates. We have seen that basically carbohydrates and the fats are providing energy to our body. So whenever there is a lack of these carbohydrates or fats, so we are not getting sufficient amount of energy to perform the task. So those who are suffering from these types of disease, so they may feel what is that weak, and they do not have enough stamina to perform work, and they cannot bear the physical or mental stress. These are some of the after effects you can see that those who are having these types of disease, deficiency of carbohydrates. And if you are consuming so much of carbohydrates, that leads to another problem. So you can see that these carbohydrates, excess carbohydrates which are stored as fats, and ultimately that leads to overweight. So that is, we call it as obesity. So people, those who are having this overweight, they are not very active. So obesity will create problem ultimately. So they are not very active, and also they may suffer from various types of disease. So this is the way you can understand the certain types of diseases which leads to deficiency of carbohydrates. Now we are going to discuss the second types of disease, that is due to deficiency of proteins. So second one we are going to discuss, that is due to deficiency of proteins and fats. So when we are concerned the case of these types of a disease, that means a disease due to deficiency of a protein, the deficiency of proteins in the diet leads to what is that? Severe malnutrition, especially in the case of children, we can say. Ultimately that leads to certain types of a disease. We can see that one type of a disease, that is known as kwashiorkor. Kwashiorkor is one type of a disease that is especially due to deficiency of proteins only. When we are discussing the case of this kwashiorkor, the basic symptom of this type of a disease, kwashiorkor, is you can see that the stomach becomes swollen. You can see that the stomach is coming out, and the legs becomes thin, and there are some patches, ugly patches which are producing on the skin. So these are the basic symptoms of this disease. What is that? Kwashiorkor, you can see that. What are the symptoms of this kwashiorkor? So you can see that what is that? The stomach becomes swollen, and legs becomes thin, and also there are some patches which are producing on the skin. Similarly, you can see that one more type of disease is also occurred due to deficiency of protein, carbohydrates and fats, that is known as marasmus. Second type of disease we can say that is known as marasmus. So when we are concerned the case of this marasmus, this type of a disease is occur basically due to deficiency of protein, carbohydrates and fats. Let us see what are the basic symptoms of this. We can see that so they become very thin, and loose fold of a skin we can see on their body. So these are some of the basic symptoms of this marasmus we can see. So this is the way we can understand the deficiency of a protein that leads to some other types of diseases like kwashiorkor or marasmus.